Welcome to Almay. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. For keeping your data safe on Windows Server 2016, you probably need to clone it. How to clone hard drive on Windows Server 2016. This video will show you the easiest way to achieve. Part 1. Backup hard drive on Server 2016 and restore to a new drive. Part 2. Clone the drive on Server 2016 directly. Whichever system you're running, data security is always the most important task. As you know, there are many factors that could cause system or hard drive failures. Cloning the disk in Windows Server could let us stay away from serious data loss someday. Besides, if you want to replace the old hard drive to improve server performance without losing data, you may need to clone Windows Server 2016 to SSD or larger hard drive. Here I introduce 2 ways to help you easily complete this task. Let's check out. Microsoft provides a server backup solution, Windows Server Backup. You can use it to create image backup of Windows Server and restore it to another disk. Firstly, add Windows Server Backup to your server. Click Manage on the dashboard, then hit Add Roles and Features. After that, click Tools and choose Windows Server Backup. Local Backup. It provides you with backup schedule and backup once options. Make the choice according to your requirements. Follow the wizard to set up the backup configurations, items for backup, destinations, and click Backup. Restore backup image to another drive. Please follow the steps below. Connect the target drive to your server properly. Go to Windows Server Backup and select Recover on the right panel. On the Getting Started screen, choose This server to use a local backup for recovery. Follow the wizard to select backup date, recovery type, items to recover, and specify recovery options. Finally, click Recover to begin. Using Windows Server Backup to clone hard drive to another drive has many limitations. For example, if you're cloning server hard drive to another one with different motherboard or dissimilar processor, you may fail. Therefore, you could consider using an alternative to clone Windows Server 2016. Here we highly recommend a Windows Server disk cloning software, Almay Backup Server. It can backup or clone Windows Server with rich options and features. Just Google Almay Backup Server, download and install it. Let's see the details. Almay Backup Server is a disk cloning program for Windows Server 2016. It enables you to clone Windows Server 2016 without reinstalling Windows. You can clone the entire disk, only OS or data partition, with the disk, system, and partition clone modes. Let's run Almay Backup Server. At the home page, select Clone on the left pane. It will show you 3 options to clone Windows Server. To clone an entire hard drive, choose Disk Clone. Select the server hard drive you want to clone as the source, then click Next. Select the destination disk to store the data, and click Next. Confirm the information in Operation Summary page. Here are 3 more options you can use to satisfy other requirements. Click Edit Partitions. You can adjust the partition size on destination disk as per your need. Take SSD alignment. It can improve the read and write speed of the SSD while cloning disk in Windows Server. If you want to clone exactly same bytes With the source disk, you can take sector by sector clone. It requires a hard drive at least as large as the source disk. If there is no problem, click Start Clone to perform Windows Server clone. As you can see, Almi Backuper Server can help you easily clone Windows Server 2016. Compared to Windows Server Backup, this disk cloning software is easier and more flexible. Besides cloning, it has many other utilities you can use to solve your problems. You can discover more. Hope you benefit from this video. Want to know more about Almi? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We are here to help you with any questions.